All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is for the Caspa community. This is a very exciting day, and I'm sure if you guys do follow me on my channel on a day-to-day basis, exactly what we spoke about yesterday has really come to life today. And I'm sure anyone in the Caspa community is very excited and smiling, to say the least. Of course, when we pull out the charts, I will explain as to why, to be specific. But anyhow, if you're looking at the overall market, guys, it's absolutely a thing of beauty. We're seeing a lot of green across the board. Bitcoin sitting above $68,000 going into the weekend. What else could you ask for, right? Looking at Kaspa, it's up 3.6%, and I know a lot of people are probably wondering, hey, Crypto ZX, who cares about that? But if you are a regular viewer on my channel and you watch every single update, first and foremost, thank you. Thank you for the tremendous amount of support. And number two, you guys know exactly why, I'm talking about this is a good day for Kaspa. So let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening. Before I do that, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So to all the Kaspa holders, you can finally see that we were having a point where Kaspa was actually lagging against the market. And obviously, like I said, going back to the beginning of the video, if you do follow this channel on a day-to-day basis, you know exactly what I'm referring to. But this time around, I spoke to you guys about this yesterday in our analysis video, that I'm starting to see the shift occurring, and that actually confirms it today. This move that we have seen confirms it, because let's face it, there's a lot of coins right now that are actually lagging behind BTC due to the dominance actually sitting at close to yearly highs. I will get a little bit more into detail when I pull out the charts for you guys. But anyhow, Kaspa is up 3.8% in USD comparative. It's also up 2% in BTC comparative. Market cap $4.5 billion, and about the 24-hour trading volume at about $40 million. And what I want to show you guys is this right here. And again, this kind of shows you the market sentiment as well. And of course, what the holders think. You can see this for yourself. I asked you guys, the community members, if you had $1,000 to invest into crypto, what are you buying? 1,200 votes in the last 23 hours. So thank you if you took place. And also 93 comments. 93 comments, people, that think something other than these coins that I have listed, which is obviously great to see. And a lot of Kaspa comments in there, a lot. But what I want you guys to take a look at right now is this. There's a tie. And the ties between layer ones and meme coins. And if you do follow me on my channel on a day-to-day basis, I've always said to you guys, we've been noticing a massive trend, within the crypto space, especially altcoins. Layer ones and layer twos, as well as meme coins, are the projects that a lot of people have their eyes on. Why do you think that's the case? Let's face it, look at what happened last cycle with all these layer ones and layer twos, and look what's happening right now as well. And Kaspa falls in one of these categories, and obviously I'm sure you guys are excited about that. So it kind of confirms even more as to what we discuss on a day-to-day basis. Obviously, in terms of getting to the levels of its competitors, it still has a long way to go. But look where Solana started, look where Cardano started. The sky's the limit at the end of the day, but more risk. Definitely more risk. And if you cannot accept that, if you cannot accept the fact that that is true, that with Caspa right now, even though it could be the next big thing, again, that's pure speculation, right? Only time is going to tell. But right now it is still more riskier, and of course that's where the speculation fund comes into play, and that's why a lot of people are excited. But I'm sure if anyone that picked up Caspa last year and they're looking at it right now, they're sitting nice and happy and smiling, because their bags are up thousands of percent. So we got to look at it from that point of view as well, because people kind of tend to forget that there's some people out there that have picked up Kaspa below a penny last year, while pretty much no one was paying attention to it, including myself. As you guys know, keep it 100% on this channel. I missed out big on Kaspa, but it is what it is. You don't win everything, and that is something that obviously everyone needs to accept. Anyhow, what I said earlier in the video is, look what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance. We're shooting towards the upside. Not only that, close to yearly highs. And again, that speaks a lot as to what's happening with the space and what could happen with Bitcoin. Speaking about Bitcoin, $68,122, it's having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key resistance. Obviously now this is the battle between the bulls and the bears. The bulls are obviously trying to push the price of Bitcoin above 270K, and obviously the bears don't want that to happen. But I do believe this time around we could see the bulls winning finally. So Bitcoin is looking amazing. Altcoins are looking good. Market sentiment's looking good. Caspa is looking great. And if you watched my video yesterday, there was a specific title that I had in that one. It said days away, and you can see this for yourself. We are back in the 23.6, most importantly. So we know what was happening with Kaspa. A lot of rejections at that key resistance, at the 23.6 Fib zone key resistance. But finally, this time around, we are able to break out of here. And again, this does not come as a surprise to myself. What I want you guys to realize right now, realize this, guys. Last time the price of Kaspa was sitting at 18.7 cents was back on July 2nd. Which was at pretty much the beginning of the month. So you could pretty much say almost been a month since the price of Kaspa actually retested that. And now what you're noticing is resistance. Again, on the hourly time frame, you can notice this. There's major resistance coming in its way. But if this resistance, this exact resistance we're currently sitting at, breaks out, I believe Kaspa runs up to 19.3 cents. That is the next major target, believe it or not. And the fact that it's in the 23.6 all-time high talks can start happening. And this next move is only about a 3.32% move, guys. And this is the importance of the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, because if things really heat up, prices could go into all-time highs in a snap of a finger. And if you want to even consider looking at how far we are from an all-time high, that's only a 6.7% move, guys. Let that sink in. So imagine what happens to BTC. Let's kind of predict that. So let's say Bitcoin actually does go to $70,000, breaks out, sees that price point. That's a 3.38% move. And as of now, we're seeing Kaspa outpacing, BTC. And that could continue to play out. And I think we could actually end up seeing a 20 cents Kaspa, possibly even before the month of July comes to an end. So a lot of excitement within the Kaspa community right now. The chart speaks for itself, but it's really, really important. Not only is it important to break out of the key resistance right now, but it's really, really important for the price of Kaspa to actually stay within the 23.6 Fib zone and not see it tumble back below into the 38.2. But so far, so good. We're going to analyze it day by day. I'll keep you guys covered. And of course, guys, subscribe if you have not done so already. I really, really, need your guys' support. I've been, working really, really hard to, give you guys these updates. So, your support means the world to me just by, subscribing. And, I want to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I need each and every one of you guys to show love. And with that said, we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.